bestie besties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning investie bestie, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. We are a family of 5 who is trying to retire early, y'all, from the workforce. We are trying to do our own thing, build up our own businesses, travel, and just spend more time together and volunteering in our church. So if that sounds interesting to you, you want to see real numbers inside of our many investment accounts, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join us. So let's continue on with our Vlogmas series. And today on Tuesday, we're going to be doing our Tuesday money tip. And so I'm going to be encouraging you guys in this video today to stick to your budget. Remember, guys, your budget is your financial foundation. All of your investing, all of your wealth building, if you want to get into crypto, maybe real estate, buy your first home, it all starts with your budget. Okay, remember, your budget is your financial foundation. If your financial foundation is rocky or it has holes all in it, it's not going to be able to stand. And one reason why people's financial foundations or their budgets always fall around Christmas time is because it's not solid to begin with. So let's talk about being consistent. This is something I preach all the time on this channel, is be consistent, be consistent, be consistent. Why? Because you'll be able to withstand a lot of the temptations come the holiday season. You see all of these ads and magazines, even on the radio, talking about buy this, or this is 50% off, or this is 75% off, or buy one get one free. And keep in mind, guys, they do these tactics to really get you into the store and hook you, even online. Because sometimes I think we believe if we don't step into a physical store, then we're okay. It is very easy to take your phone, pull up Amazon.com, and scroll down, add to the cart, and swipe. It's very simple to buy things online. So that does not negate even online shopping, but I wanted to give you guys just 3 tips that I personally use to make sure I do not bust my budget during this holiday season, because I love Christmas. I love the lights and the decoration, and for me, it is very emotional. And so I want to make sure that I guard my emotions and our money from overspending during this holiday season. So one of the things that I really like to do, and I know a lot of people do this, is I will wait it out. I will wait 24 hours. So if there's something that I want that I've been really kind of feeling, I will wait a whole day. And there have been many times where this has actually worked. Sometimes I feel so connected, so passionate about a particular product or service I want to get, and I'm like, yes, I need this. I'll leave it in the cart for 24 hours and realize I don't need it. There have been times where I actually forgot about it. And so I figured if I forgot about it, it wasn't that much of an importance to me. Truly deep down, I was just connected on the emotional level. And that's why I always say, like, I gotta guard my emotions, especially around the holiday season, because I love Christmas time. And so yes, I wait 24 hours. I'll wait it out. If I forget, that is a tall tale sign, like, girl, you don't need it. Even when I am in the store, I do the same thing. I can come back. Yes, it may take me more time, but I figure I'm not blowing my budget by buying something that I really didn't need because I was just so caught up in the moment. Because sometimes you can get caught up in the shopping moment and you don't realize, like, oh my goodness, I spent $200. I only meant to spend $50. This is really key for me in Target. I am one of those people, you've seen the commercials or the articles, like people go in thinking they're going to get 1 or 2 things, come out with a whole basket of stuff. That's why I only go to Target twice a month now. To guard myself. And that's using wisdom too, and it's protecting our money. The second thing that we do is make a list. Making a list, I think, is a lost art nowadays, but you can put it on your phone. You can have the usual pen and paper. Make a list of the people and what you need to buy so that you don't overspend, and that includes your children as well. A lot of times we've discovered our kids play with like 30% of the stuff we get them for Christmas. The 70% of it stays in a corner somewhere. So what we tried to do over the last couple of years is shift our shopping experience and really get them things that they would enjoy versus just buying a whole bunch of stuff so that they can have it under the tree. And that really saved our budget. But yeah, just cut it down some, because we realized let's focus more on what they really like, or something that we have started to do that we really enjoy is buy them experiences. So we have a membership to the zoo. We'll have membership to a children's museum. We will take them out. We will really kind of spend time going through all the exhibits, enjoying, laughing, getting to know each other. And I'm telling you guys, that is what the children remember. They want to go back. They want to have more fun. They want to join this versus, all of the thousands of toys that they may have. And it saves your money in the long run. And the final budget tip that I have for you guys, if you really want to make sure you don't bust your budget, is just use cash. Cash is really king. So if you only have $100 and the total comes up to 105, something got to give, something got to come off, something got to go back so that you can stick to your budget. And so I know a lot of times people feel like cash is a hassle, but if you have a tight budget, if you know that you really cannot go over because you have other expenses and other bills, using cash is a very smart thing to do. I have done it. Sometimes you got to go back and forth to the bank. You may not want to, but we're talking about keeping your budget secure because we have other bills. A lot of times people don't realize that Christmas is going to come and Christmas is going to go. And you want to make sure that come January 1st, when you receive those billing statements in the mail, you are not shocked and surprised and as a result getting deeper into debt because you were caught up in the moment. And so I wanted to share those 3 budget tips with you guys to make sure you don't bust your budget during this holiday season, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below regarding Tuesday's money tip. Do you agree with any of the things? Do you have any suggestions you will add on so that people do not bust their budgets during this holiday season? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for the next video in our Vlogmas series, okay? Have a good one. Bye.